Hi friends, you all know well that we are living with data. The present era is full of technological advancement and we are flooded with data. Can you imagine a day of life without use of data? Impossible, right? Crystal Edu Services provides best guidance to students who would like to join in BTech, Data Science and Machine Learning. The 21st century will be ruled by data. Industries and businesses run on data. If data is not there, they cannot operate. Data provides valuable insights into customer behavior, market trends, and forecasts. Data scientists analyze data to find new insights. There are many professionals in software development and application side, but not much are there in data science and machine learning. Data science aims to use scientific approach to extract meaning and insights from data, whereas machine learning uses data and allow computers to learn from data to perform actions on its own without programming rules. India alone needs more than 10 million data workers. In data science, students learn how to convert knowledge, tools, and statistics to generate business value in creative ways. Data scientists work in all types of business units and industries like banking, healthcare, manufacturing, services, entertainment, gaming, etc. To name a few, and in government and non-government organizations. Students of BTech Data Science and Machine Learning study subjects of computer networks, Java, OOPS, database management, computation, computer architecture, etc. Job opportunities for BTech Data Science and Machine Learning are plenty, and demand for data scientists is ever increasing. Jobs such as data science consultant, data engineers, database administrator, data visualizer, data architects are some of the roles given to candidates who graduate in data sciences. Some of the top companies that hire data science graduates are Oracle, Amazon, JP Morgan, Teradata, Accenture, TCS, IBM, etc. Data science graduates also get government jobs in various government departments. The average salary offered to fresh data science engineers range from 4 to 8 lakhs and senior level data professionals get around 30 lakhs per annum. Those who passed 10+2 with maths and science are eligible to join this course. And for admission into ITM University, Gwalior. For admissions and further information, contact Crystal Edu Services. Contact us. Website crystaleduservices.com. Facebook Crystal Edu Serve. YouTube channel Crystal Edu Services.